Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you all are following all the precautions and you're at home. Now today I come up with one more interesting topic, and today's topic is about green tea. So lot many times we have heard about these benefits of green tea, that people should have green tea because it leads to fat loss. या तो marketing strategy of green tea will always have this particular sentence, to reduce belly fat, okay, you can have green tea. ये आपने देखा भी है कई बार. You must have seen this in various advertisements also. Now, first of all, is it true? Okay, and then what are the benefits of green tea? Correct. Definitely, I am not saying that green tea does not have any advantages. Okay, it is very good, but there are various other things that you need to look at. Okay, rather than just fat loss. Correct. We will talk about the fat loss part also later on. Okay, and whatever that I'll be saying, it will be according to the studies that I've read. So I've been reading these studies by the US National Library of Medicine and the National Institute of Health. So as per the US National Library of Medicine, उनके स्टडीज़ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें आई ग्रीन टी के बारे में. दे हैव मेंशन लॉट मेनी थिंग्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे सेड the chemical composition of green tea is very complex. Okay, meaning it contains lot many things. Okay, like for example, it has got abundance of amino acids, it has got various vitamins in it, it has got minerals, trace elements. ये सारी चीज़ें उसके अंदर है. Okay, like for example, they have mentioned a list of amino acids which are present in green tea, but there are some important ones that I would like to mention here. For example, it contains the glutamine, it contains the arginine, it contains the leucine. Clear? Then vitamins में it contains important vitamins like vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin E. We know the work of vitamin B helps in extraction of energy from food. Correct? Important for central nervous system. Okay, all these are the benefits. Vitamin C and vitamin E, very important antioxidants. We know about all these things. It contains various minerals also, like for example calcium, magnesium, chromium. It contains zinc and iron. Okay, तो ये सारे minerals, trace elements are also present in the green tea. Okay, above that, there is one more important thing that I would mention about green tea. It contains a compound known as polyphenols. Okay, now this is a plant compound, and within polyphenols there is one more category which is known as flavonoids. Okay, तो ये सारे ये polyphenols जो है, what is the function of these polyphenols and how do these flavonoids, how do they benefit us? They are highly anti-inflammatory. Okay, they contain the antioxidant properties. Okay, they protect against heart disease. They will avoid disease like the type 2 diabetes. They will help us in avoiding various types of cancers. Okay, तो अलग अलग organs में जो cancers होते हैं, okay, उन्होंने ये पूरा list भी दिया है. Okay, so you can actually avoid those cancers. Okay, they are very good antioxidants, so they will actually fight the free radicals and they will try to remove these free radicals, and they will not allow these degenerative changes to happen in your cell. So they will avoid degeneration of the cell. They also have anti-inflammatory properties. Okay, तो वो body में inflammation नहीं होने देंगे. So if the level of inflammation in the body is less, definitely it will help you in preventing various illnesses. Okay, अलग अलग किस्म के जो बीमारियां हैं उससे आपको दूर रखेंगी. So in short, green tea and all those compounds which are present in the green tea, definitely they have anti-cancer properties and they have various properties that will prevent lot many illnesses and disease. Correct? So these are the great properties of green tea, why you should have green tea. Correct? तो ये सब चीज़ों के वजह से अगर आप ग्रीन टी ले रहे हो, you want to boost up your immunity, it is a good thing. Okay, last time in my last video I spoke about boosting up the immunity. Okay, so definitely boosting up the immunity, boosting up the immune level definitely will happen with green tea. Okay, but now what about the fat loss part? does green tea have the ability to reduce body fat? So now let me tell you, I read a study which was conducted in Japan, okay, and this particular study, after the entire study was conducted, they actually collected the data, okay, of all those people who participated in that particular study, and they collected the data on the basis of waist to hip ratio, okay. तो उनका waist to hip ratio लिया गया basically to find out whether fat loss or weight management or weight reduction has happened by using green tea preparation or no, correct. And I would like to tell you the conclusion. उसका conclusion मुझे आपको पढ़ के दिखाना है. Now I have written the conclusion here, so I am reading that conclusion of that particular study. I want you people to hear it out. The conclusion of the final study, okay, this was conducted in Japan, and after taking the entire data from the waist to hip ratio of all those people who participated, the conclusion was this: green tea preparation appears to induce a small non-significant weight loss in overweight or obese adults. Because the amount of weight is so small, it is not likely to be clinically important. So it is not clinically that important because the amount of weight loss that happened was very, very less. Green tea has no significant effect on the maintenance of weight loss. So if you look at this particular conclusion, जो ये conclusion उन्होंने जो लिखा है after the entire study was conducted, that the amount of weight loss that happened or the amount of fat loss that happened in all those people who participated in the study was very less, and it was not so important clinically. इतना कोई important चीज़ नहीं था. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? So if you want to have green tea, definitely if you want to have green tea, okay, have it for other advantages. Have green tea because of its antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties, okay, its ability to protect you from various diseases that I have mentioned, correct, to boost your immunity, okay. So you can enjoy your green tea that way, okay, rather than just having green tea for fat loss or for reduction of body fat. So I hope that you liked my video, and I would like to see your comments also, okay. And if you like my video, please share my video, like my video, and also put your comments, right? So stay safe, stay at home, okay, and stay fit, okay. Eat healthy. Thank you so much.